Alright, so the story takes place on Emma's bed. She wakes up at the bed and opens her eyes to find Aladdin standing over her saying, wake up, I want to introduce you to someone. So Aladdin, who represents number 14 for AD, brings her over to the edge of the bed. As Emma sits up, she notices that Albert Einstein is sitting here at the end of the bed, and he's showing her all these equations that you have to do this. But Emma says, wait, I need more help. These are big numbers. Immediately, from the window, number blocks appear, falling down from the window. There's number blocks everywhere. Emma jumps up and runs to her computer to find Santa's elves climbing all around the chairs, who represent 65. So Santa's elves are jumping up and down, turning on the computer, and on the computer shows a picture of, I believe it's Chloe the dog. Yes, Chloe the dog shows up, and there's this picture of Chloe, who's a beautiful dog, and everybody wants to pet it. And Emma says, wow, that's really cool. Man, I wish I had Chloe the pet, but what other pet do I have? And then she remembers, over here is her aquarium, which is full of hungry narwhal. Hungry narwhal for 89. And Emma gets up to feed her fish, and then the hungry narwhal jumps out and jumps into the arms of 79, which represents a genie. So the genie floats. Remember from Aladdin? So the genie pops up, the blue genie catches the narwhal, and he says, hi, Emma, what is your wish for the day? And Emma says, And so we'll continue on with the story as we leave the room. Alright, so let's go ahead and check if I remember who's here. So on the bed is who? Wakes up Emma? That's right, Aladdin, which represents 14 for AD. Aladdin. 14. Alright, and then who was at this other side of the bed? And we're right, it's Albert Einstein for 15. A1 Einstein, 15. Albert Einstein. Who does he recruit for help? That's right, the number blocks. Number blocks, we didn't mention what number they are, but they're 92. Number, which is number for N, and then B for number. So number blocks, 92. When we went over here, and who was on Emma's chairs? It was that's right, the elves. The Santa's elves. For 6 for S, and then 5 for elves, for E. Santa's elves. And who was on the computer? That's right, a beautiful dog puppy that Emma wants named Chloe. Chloe for C, and then 5 for E. So Chloe. Over here was Emma's pet. And who was in the aquarium? It was a hungry narwhal, and he wanted to be fed. Hungry narwhal, and he was so hungry. So 8 for H, and then 9 for N, hungry narwhal. And he jumped out, and whose arms did he jump into? That's right, the genie. Genie. 7 for G, and N for 9. Genie 79.